All right, good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, May the 19th. I'm Teacher Mark. This is Class 5A, sort of. It doesn't look like it, but it is. And yeah, let's get going here. Away we go. Today we're doing something different this week in math. We're working with volume, which is getting us to the next stuff. We're getting into geometry and things like that, shapes and what fits inside of those shapes, how you measure that space inside those shapes and things. So that's what we're going to be doing today. It takes all the little things that we've been doing, all the why do we have to do these fractions and multiplying and this sort of stuff. It takes those little bits and pieces and sort of puts them together in a different way. We're looking at things a little bit from a bigger perspective, just building on what we've already learned and more getting into things you'll learn next year. So that's what we're doing today. In language arts, we have a Zoom meeting today where we're going to talk about adjectives after linking verbs. It's about as exciting as it sounds. No, it's actually really important. You guys are really good with adjectives, and we're getting to the latter part of the year where we're getting into some real detailed stuff. If you remember in the beginning of the year, it was simple present, simple past tense of verbs and things, and now we're dealing with more advanced stuff. We're kind of combining some of these things that we've learned. So I think it'll go pretty well, but I still want to go over it together just to kind of get any questions out of the way or anything. So if you guys see, there's a worksheet in the daily lesson plan here next to the Zoom class information. All you have to do is have that with you, and then we'll have class and hopefully learn a few things. In English class, there's a mini lesson where I explain a bit more about what we're doing there, but we're just kind of going to reflect on some of the things we've read this week and I guess a little bit last week. Via, she's gone to school, she's had her first day, she's met some of her friends, and now she's come home, and Augie didn't have a good day, and her parents are kind of dealing with him, so there's a lot that's going on. And what we're going to do today is write a little journal entry. Pretend that you are Via. What would you think after all these things have happened? If you guys are very good at putting yourselves into the story. I think that you bring a lot of your own experiences, and it's really, really good. So I think that some writing like this will be pretty good today. But there is a mini lesson where I explain in a bit more detail about some of the things that we could talk about. I do a bit of review, and then also give you an example of what your paragraph might look like. So definitely check that out. And in science class today, we get to do. It's an experiment. You can do it at home if you like. It doesn't involve too much. Vinegar, which we used previously in a previous experiment, and salt, and a coin, a specific coin, which is why I didn't really want to make this mandatory, because some people might not have all these things, but there's a little video, and if we watch the video, it should help us answer the questions that are in the daily lesson plan. There's 4 questions here. Asking about what they're doing in the video. They're going to mix some things together. What are those things? I think I just said them, but you'll see in the video as well. What did the experiment what are they doing in this experiment? They have a bowl of liquid and they put something in it. What is that thing? What happens when they put that thing in there? And then why does it happen? That's kind of the interesting question. I think all the answers will be different, but I want to hear what you guys think. Why do you think that the thing changes color? Why do you think it changes color? So that's all we're going to do today. We're going to watch this video and answer some questions. If you have vinegar and if you have salt and a coin, the right kind of coin, you could try this at home. I did it. It does work. But I don't want to make it mandatory because the way things are, it's hard to get all these things. So we should be able to do it with the video. If you do have any questions, please let me know. That's what I'm here for. It's not meant to be confusing or confounding. It's meant to be fun and a little bit different, and hopefully to learn something as well. So that's basically it for today, guys. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you here in a little bit, 10:30, for language arts class. Have a wonderful day until then, and I'll see you later, guys.